Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to make some Holy Trinity, the Cajun style, not the Mirepoix with the carrots. So I've already washed and cut up 2 bell peppers, 3 stalks of celery, and 1 large white onion. And I got some these little green onions chopped up in here too. So I'm going to use my Blentex blender, which I haven't used in a long time. Okay. Okay. Start by putting in celery, since I got the most water content in it. You need some liquid at the bottom for it to work. If it don't work, then I'll have to add some liquid. I'm putting the rest. Oh, I didn't show y'all. Just putting it in here. Okay, I want to pulse it. You nosy little boy, you can't see what this noise is? Oh, he is? Okay, I'm going to put the rest of this in here. Okay. Okay, let me stir it. See the liquid that celery made. That's why I put it in first. Okay, I'm going to make some more noise. I'm putting this in here, okay. I'm putting that in there. Then I'm going to blend it up so it gets real minced up little. You don't know what I'm talking about. Hey, sweetie. See, this is bell pepper. Say, bell pepper. Look. What color is it? Bell pepper. What color is it? What color? This ain't purple. What color is this? Say green. Green? Yes. Okay, you're going to run in a minute. Okay. Okay, I'm going to do it again. Okay, I'm going to make the noise. Boy. Okay, this is how I want it. I'm going to add some garlic. I'm not using real garlic. I'm putting granulated garlic powder. I ain't measuring nothing. I'm going to add some parsley flakes. This ain't how most people do it. They don't add this extra stuff. But I'm MzBrazell. Y'all know how I do.
Hi.
That's good.
Look away, yo.
Okay, I'm gonna make the noise again. You wanna get on camera?
Hey.
They can't see you.
Hey.
Okay.
Hey,
come here, baby. You wanna see? You wanna say hi? Okay, bye. Don't knock my stuff over. Bye. Beat it, kid. Blend it one more again. I ain't even touched it yet. All right, I'm through. I'm done. I'll put this in a Ziploc bag so I can freeze it. And then when I'm making soup or something, I'll break off a piece because it'll be frozen. And throw it in my soup pot or wherever. I got this tip from somebody on TikTok. Her name is Jessica. I don't know her TikTok name. But you know, I used to follow her on YouTube. Okay, I'm pouring this in here. And it smells so good, yeah. So, because I have a problem with keeping fresh vegetables. They usually go bad before I wind up doing anything with them. So, this is the Holy Trinity. I ain't talking about the Father, Son, and Holy Ghost. I'm talking about the seasoning. Okay, so y'all get the idea. I'm gonna get all this in a minute. Just a minute. Okay, that's how much it made. All them vegetables, and that's all I got. So I'm gonna squeeze out as much air as possible. Lay it flat so it can freeze like this. In a thin layer. So I'm gonna lay it in the freezer like this. So when I get ready to use some, I'm gonna break off a nice sized piece. Put it in my cooking pot. Okay. Now I'm getting ready to clean this. I put some warm water in here with a little bit of soap. Okay. So now I'm gonna rinse it good. Okay. Little scaredy cat. Okay, so I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.